So in this part, we will understand how to integrate quadratic by biquadratic. Okay. So in numerator, you will be having x square plus or minus 1. In denominator, we will be having x to the power 4 plus or minus kx square plus 1 dx. So you will be facing these kind of situations. So in this situation, what you have to do as step 1, you have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Okay, this is your first step. Okay, and then you have to think about step 2. What is this step 2? Step 2 can be, means you will be taking z as x plus 1 by x, or you will be taking z as x minus 1 by x, depending upon question to question. Okay, first I will help you in these two things, and then we will be solving some illustrations so that we can create better understanding. You know that we have to do differentiation now. So do differentiation of dz by dx. So differentiation of x will be 1, differentiation of 1 by x will be minus of 1 by x square. So you will have this situation, and if you will differentiate this green part, you will be having dz by dx 1 plus 1 by x square. So in numerator, if you have this component by dividing by x square, okay, then you will take z as this component. Okay, if you have numerator as this component after dividing by x square, you have to take this thing as z. Okay, so this is your idea. Now, so what we will do with the denominator? Look at this, what we will do with the denominator. Suppose that in denominator by mistake we have created x square plus 1 by x square. You know that here if you divide by x square, you will have x square, and here you will have by x square, or you may have x square or x square minus 1 by x square. So you may end up falling these two cases. Okay, but you will never have this situation. This is always positive. Okay, this thing will be positive. Now, how will you manipulate things? So suppose that you have taken this as z. Okay, so you have to convert x square plus 1 by x square as that. So can I write x plus 1 by x whole square minus of 2? So we have converted it in z. Or suppose we want to convert it into green, we can go with x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Okay, so this way you will be manipulating the denominator. Now, sometimes what will happen, in numerator you will be having only x square. Okay, sometimes you will be having only x square, or sometimes you will be having only 1. Then how will you encounter this situation? So look at this, you know that you have to create x square plus or minus 1, correct? Now, so what I will do, I will write this thing x square plus 1 and then x square minus 1. This is valid for both of them, but you know that here it is only x square and here I am writing two things, correct? So this is wrong. So what we should do, we will divide both the entity by 1 by 2. Now you need, like, wait, I will be writing same thing again. 1 by 2 x square plus 1, 1 by 2 x square minus 1. Okay, now what do you want? You want x square. So suppose that we have added, so if we will add, we will have x square component, correct? This minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 will be neutralized, but if we will subtract, we will get 1. Okay, so this thing will help you in this kind of question where you will be handling quadratic by biquadratic. So you will have exactly question of this form, means x square plus or minus 1 and denominator is x to the power 4 plus kx square plus 1. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you can apply this idea in upcoming questions.